Every piece of wood has a story, but this one has a ghost story. It's a legend my husband's family has passed down for nearly 200 years.
The stories are true.
Today, we're not just making a sign, we're crafting a legend. And we're going to tell you the story of Rotten Johnny Reb. It all starts here. So I wanted a design that felt like it was pulled from a 19th century apothecary shop. Something with a bit of mystery. I'm designing the backplate layer to be decoupaged. So I need this beautiful lace cardstock pattern cut perfectly on my Cricut. While it works its magic, let's travel to a small township in Missouri with a very big secret. Most of you have probably never heard of Avila, Missouri, and understandably, considering it has just over 100 residents. Founded in 1856 and situated about 10 miles from Carthage, Missouri, right on historic Route 66. Avila may look peaceful, but during the Civil War it saw intense fighting. The ground there is soaked in history, and some say in tragedy. This is where our story begins. A story that's particularly close to home to my husband's family that has been in the area since it was first settled. The cardstock came out perfect. And now for the wood. I'm sending the files over to the expert in the workshop. It's all yours, honey.
File received. So, my family's been in this community for a long time. We've farmed this land and we've heard these stories for generations. It's part of our history. It's pretty cool to be able to bring one of those legends to life with a modern tool like this laser. I'm cutting the backplate first, then the more detailed frame and text. Each piece requires a significantly different focus to ensure the lines are crisp. The precision on this machine is incredible.
They look amazing. Now while I bring these pieces to life, let me tell you the story my husband's grandfather used to tell him, the legend of Rotten Johnny Reb. During a brutal Civil War scrimmage near Avila, a Confederate soldier fell in battle. He was buried quickly in the town cemetery, but his body wasn't whole. He was missing his head, and a soul can never rest if it isn't complete. Shortly after, locals began to see a strange, ethereal green light bobbing between the tombstones on moonless nights. They said it was the spirit of the soldier, his spectral lantern endlessly searching for his missing head. That's how he got his name, Rotten Johnny Reb. But Johnny isn't the only ghost there. That's what makes Avila so fascinating. I'm applying this lace cardstock now, adding a delicate layer over the dark base, almost like a veil, the veil between worlds perhaps. Visitors at the local bar report hearing sudden bangs and seeing full-bodied shadow figures stumbling out the door. Others hear disembodied whispers in the wind at night. And then there's the Avila Weaver, the ghost of a woman seen tending to her grave, her sorrow so profound it has imprinted itself on the very location. All the pieces are painted, detailed, and ready. It's time to assemble the legend. As it comes together, you can really feel the story. The dark history in the backplate, the ornate details of the legend in the frame, and the stark reality of the skull at its heart. A simple rope hanger keeps it rustic and authentic. And now it's complete. And there it is, our Gothic Apothecary sign, inspired by a true piece of American folklore and my husband's own family history.
It's amazing to see a story I grew up hearing turned into a physical piece of art like this. It really brings it to life.
And now I have to ask, what's the most famous ghost story or local legend from your area? Let me know in the comments below because I truly love reading them. If you enjoyed this blend of chilling stories and creative crafting, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for crafting with us today. Stay creative
And stay spooky.